Transform your passion for professional service into a thriving global career in hospitality. Ranked #1 in India by the QS World University Rankings by subject. The Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Hospitality Management at Chandigarh University offers the opportunity to step into the future of hospitality. Choose your path with specializations and minors tailored to your career goals. Pursue internships and gain real-world exposure through our strong ties with internationally acclaimed organizations. Get hands-on learning experience with state-of-the-art labs and specialized training facilities in our campus. Enhance your knowledge horizons and gain industry-relevant credentials with access to value-added courses. Leverage our extensive collaborations with international universities and get a chance to attain global exposure. Get an exclusive placement opportunity at renowned national and international hotels and corporations. Lead the evolution of hospitality with innovation and management expertise.